Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. This is your girl Champagne coming to you again with another video. I am your licensed esthetician where I help solo estheticians win and others with their skincare and beauty needs. Today's video is sponsored by Glo Melanin. Let's get right into it, you guys. Like I said, today's video is sponsored by Glo Melanin. This is a special moment for me because this is my first sponsored video and I'm super excited, and I'm going to go into more detail and talk about Glo Melanin and their products, their wonderful products they have to offer for melanated skin. So yes, really good products, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I do want to note that my opinions is 100% my opinions about the products. So I'm going to share my take on the products and how I feel about the products. And so yes, I'm just ready to get started with you guys. I'm not going to drag the video out any longer. So I'm going to go over all the products that I received from Glo Melanin, and then I'm going to share some of the products, ingredients, and little details about them. And then I'll also be sharing some videos in the video of me using the products, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. So okay, so the first one we're going to get started with is the Turmeric Brightening Soap. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys, it's probably still kind of wet because I literally I used it. So here it is right here, and it smells so freaking good. It smells so good. So this soap right here helps to brighten and even out your skin tone, you guys. This is really good for dark spots. I use this soap right here on I call this like my contour area. This little dark spot right here I have, this could be like from not using sunscreen, or it could be genetic. So I used it right here, and I used it around my mouth area and my neck area, and I did notice a difference. I will be leaving those pictures in the video. So I use the bar soap here on my neck, and even on my décolleté area, so and on my mouth area, and I love it. It does wonders. So this bar soap has vitamin C, which is really great for brightening up the skin, and a few other great ingredients in this bar as well. And like I said, it really smells really good. It's moisturizing and rejuvenating, and me being dry skin, I don't feel like it's super tight when using this bar soap. So I really love that about this bar soap. Okay, let's move on to the next product, you guys. So the next one coming in is the under eye cream, and that is right here. I really like that this is a gel cream. You could just rub it underneath your eye. This has caffeine and licorice root. Licorice root is really good. Licorice root really helps with discoloration and dark circles and stuff like that. So I really love that it has licorice root inside this bottle right here. I really love this one. This I would recommend using. Here it says use this before bed. So you want to apply before bed, and then the next morning rinse it off. So of course you're going to rinse it off because you're going to wash your face for the morning. So yes, I'm going to do that. That's that right there. And I'm just going to show you guys. It's a gel. And it smells good. Moving on. Okay, so the next one we have, which is the Magic Eraser Dark Spot Cream right here. So this is really good. Again, just like with the bar soap, I apply this here around my mouth area and my neck. Okay, and this is really, you get a lot in a jar. So a little bit is going to go a long way. You don't need much at all. Literally a dab would do. I'm trying to show you guys. So here it is right here. A dab would do. You don't need much at all. So that one is really good too. This is going to help again with any discoloration, dark spots, dark circles. You can use this in your underarm area. You can use this inner thighs, your knees, your elbows, anywhere you can use this. Again, like I said, I use this here on my face, on my neck, around my mouth, even a little bit underneath my eye area. And so I love that it targets dark spots. Now let's move on to my favorite product of them all. This is my all-time favorite, you guys, and it is the Turmeric Brightening Scrub. I really love this product, you guys, and I'm going to share why I love this product. This product is so good. It's not like your typical store-bought scrubs where you put it on and then you're dry. This is like a moisturizing body scrub. You really get the scrub with the moisturizing, and it almost have like a little soft suds. Like, it's good. It's so good, you guys. And I'm just going to show you guys, and it smells really good. Right here, I've been using it up. I'm going to get some more. But one of the things I wanted to share with you guys, you know how you get your makeup done and you got your face all nice and glammed, but your neck and décolleté, definitely your décolleté area, it looks bad. It looks uneven. It looks unhealthy. It looks broken out. This right here, this is going to take your décolleté area to the next level. I kid you not. Like, this is my favorite product now. Like, I will be getting some more. Like, yes, like this is going to take your décolleté area to the next level. Like, if you want to brighten up that neck area, get all that dead skin off, this is going to take your décolleté area to the next level. So I would advise you guys to cop this and cop the other products too as well, because they are just as wonderful. But this is by far my favorite, you guys. And I will also be leaving a discount code for you guys if you do decide to purchase the products here that I mentioned in this video. It is SBE Aesthetics 15, and I'll have it on the video and in the description. But this right here, that's the baby right there. That's the one. I wanted to list off some of the great ingredients in the turmeric brightening scrub here. Okay, so it has sea salt, which is really good, grapeseed oil, sweet oil, turmeric extract, vitamin E. I mean, so many great ingredients in this jar right here. So the next is another one that I really like, is the peach Yoni wash. Okay, this is like, it's thick, but it's so soft, it's so smooth on the skin, and I love that. So I wash it down there, but I also use it on my whole body. So I know it's for down there for your private area, but I use it on the whole body. This is really, really good. I really like this. They should come out with a body wash like this. Wonders. Like, I use it as a body wash, so yeah. But this is a really great one. And then the Goddess Yoni Oil. I really like this too. I really love the oil choices that they chose to put in this product. They have rosemary oil, they have grapeseed oil, they have almond oil. I really like almond oil because it's a light oil. It's not heavy or anything. It's not going to clog your pores or anything. So you just literally just put that in your private, on your private area, not in it, on it. You put it on your private area, and yeah, you'll be like nice and moisturized down there and all good to go. Okay. Okay guys, so here you see me. This is day one. This is a before, just showing you how my skin is looking before I get started. This is the turmeric bar soap here. It smells really great. I'm going to be applying that in those areas as you see me point and rub on. I'm going to apply that everywhere in that area, and we're just going to focus it in that area. I really like this bar soap because it's not drying. Like, I'm dry skin type, and I don't feel like it leaves my skin like super tight feeling where it's just drying out my skin. No, but you're also going to see me take that soap to my neck. I naturally have darker lines on my neck. Again, that could be from not wearing sunscreen, not moisturizing it enough, or genetics. I'm also going to be applying some of that soap underneath my eye area. I don't have much darkness under there, but I do have a little. And then I'm just going to work the rest of the product on throughout my whole face. And I'm working myself down to my neck and décolleté area. That décolleté area is so important, y'all. Great results from it. Now I'm going in with this dark spot cream, and yes, I'm going to work that in on those darker areas where I apply the soap. And this cream has SPF in it as well, so that's a plus. I'm also going to apply this on my neck area, making sure I get all those dark marks on my neck. Rub it in thoroughly. Make sure you work it in. And yeah. So now I'm going to be going in with the eye cream, and I'm just going to get a little dab and dab it underneath my eye area, and then I'm just going to rub it in, staying as close as possible to my eye area. So this is what my skin is looking like after I used the face products, and I'm loving what I see. Okay guys, real quick, so I have a skincare tip bonus for you guys for best results, definitely for that neck and décolleté area. So as you guys see, I still have soap on my face and neck from the bar soap. I found out adding that scrub with the soap is so much good. The glide is good, everything is good, and I love it. I mean, this right here is a plus, double exfoliation, you guys. Really love these products, you guys. Like, I'm so happy and honored to be able to get some products that I actually like and be able to share with you guys, because I do think that your skin, you will see great results with your skin. Me using these products for the last 3 days, I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. I have noticed that this dark area in my contour area has lightened up, and I'm just going to continue to use it to see where it goes from here. And even my neck area has did the same thing. In this décolleté, baby, it really did its thing. It really did its thing. So I'm like super excited. So yes, that is all I have for today's video. Again, I'll be leaving the discount code in the description if you didn't catch it in the video. And yes, if you guys got any questions for me, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys back with another great video. Bye.